empowering 1 lakh youth. She is the epitome of the second inning success. She has impacted thousands of parents and teachers, proving that when you align with your true self, life becomes a masterpiece. She's not just a flame, she is Jwala. To unveil 3C's framework, give a thunderous applause for the life skills transformer and storyteller, Jyoti Singh.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So before we begin, let's have 4 people on each table. Quickly, 30 seconds. Yeah, 4 people on each table. Or maybe 3 if you're comfortable. Ma'am? Yeah. All set? कविता मैम आप यहाँ पे ज्वाइन हो जाएंगे इज इट ओके कंफर्टेबल ओके ले लो No worries. Yeah. So all set? Yes. Wonderful. So Jai Hind to one and all. And before we begin, let me set 2 ground rules for our today's session. Number 1, let's have 30 minutes of undivided attention. Because in the world full of distraction, your presence here is truly valuable. And when we are fully present, we can make most out of this time together. The second ground rule is, I am not here to teach you something new. This will be full of experience, reflection. So I want each one of you to participate, engage and contribute so that वो कहते हैं ना transformation begins once you are ready. So let's do it all together. Now, before I start my question, I have a session. I just want to ask everybody, how many of you think that you are making use of your full potential, both in your personal and your professional life? Raise your hand. We are using our full potential? Yes? Sir, do you think that's the maximum or we can still use it more? Okay, and the people who haven't raised hand, do you think something is stopping us? And that's, yes sir? And that's absolutely normal. So my dear friends, today I'm here to take you on a tour towards my journey, what has really inspired me, what has helped me to eliminate the limiting belief and which limits the human potential. So are you ready? Yes, थोड़ा सा I think चाय पी है वो वाली एनर्जी नहीं लग रही. Are you all ready? Yes. Wonderful. So today I am here to share my big idea, an idea that has actually helped me to take a breakthrough. There was times in my life when I was totally confused, and yes. वो कहते हैं ना हर एक ब्रेक थ्रू के लिए you note some or the other spark. So my dear friends, this big idea has really helped me to shift my thinking, and most importantly, it has helped me to take an action when it mattered the most. And this is where we most of the people stop in taking action. And when I started the journey, I understood the framework. This idea has really helped me to found a new mindset. I built myself again, and most importantly, this has helped me to create a new framework. And this framework, this model has helped me to break my own limitations right from the day one. And today I'll be taking you on a tour how this, my entire model has helped me to evolve. So This will be an interactive session. And let me tell you that the moment we are ready for the transformation, it is very important that we take a little pause. And throughout this session, we'll be taking little pause on a lot of reflections. Okay? So let me begin with a story. Story number 1, the 5 monkeys story. So once upon a time, a researcher was conducting an experiment, and what did they do? They bought a 5 monkey और उनको एक केज में लाके बंद कर दिया. There was a ladder and there was a bunch of banana. So the moment one of the monkey went towards the ladder to grab the banana, immediately the cold water was sprayed on all the monkey. It was very sudden, it was very uncomfortable, and it was very painful. And फटक से वो बंदर नीचे उतर गया. अब थोड़ी देर बाद क्या होता है? The moment second monkey thought, let me try it. अब ये बंदर वापस से वो लैडर के ऊपर जाता है. And जैसे ही वो लैडर पे चढ़ता है, again the cold water sprayed on all the monkeys. अब थोड़ी देर बाद जैसे ही तीसरा बंदर कोशिश करने जाता है, रेस्ट ऑफ द मंकीज उसके पकड़ के उसकी खूब धुलाई करते, दे दनादन, और वो वहीं रुक जाता है. अब थोड़ी देर बाद जब चौथे और पांचवें मंकी ट्राई करते तो क्या हुआ होगा, आप बताइए. जैसे ही वो कोशिश करते, बाकी सारे बंदर उनको पकड़ के खूब धुलाई करते, दे दनादन, और एक टाइम के बाद ये सारे मंकी साइड में बैठ गए. किसी की हिम्मत भी नहीं हुई वापस से लैडर चढ़ने की. Now what did the researcher do? थोड़ी देर बाद उन्होंने एक पुराने बंदर को बाहर निकाला और एक नए बंदर को अंदर रिप्लेस कर दिया. Now this new monkey is very excited, and the moment he went on the ladder, बाकी सारे चारों पुराने बंदर ने उसको पकड़ के पीछे खींच लिया और उसकी खूब धुलाई करी. अब वो बंदर ये तो समझ गया मुझे लैडर पे नहीं चढ़ना है. एंड धीरे धीरे करके रिसर्चर्स ने ये सारे बंदर जो पुराने थे उनको रिप्लेस कर दिया नए बंदरों से. एंड सरप्राइजिंगली all the 5 monkeys, the new monkeys, haven't experienced the cold water once. एक बार भी उन्होंने experience नहीं किया, until they did not climb the ladder. Now my question to each one of you, what do you think? What was stopping them to try this, to at least attempt to grab a banana? Trauma, yes. The mind was trained, yes sir. नहीं करना है. Yes. Yeah. Can we have another mic also? Yes, Kavita. Fear of unknown was there. पता नहीं क्या होगा. Yes. Uncertainty. Conditioning हो गई थी. So we all resonate. कहीं ना कहीं उनकी conditioning हो गई थी. Yes. तो story याद रहेगी. Story number 1 क्या थी? The 5 monkeys. Now coming to the story number 2, and this story is about a fish story. So once upon a time there was a little girl just like Kiansh and Ayushman in the room, and they were very curious. She went to her mother and her mother was making a meal. She was cooking a fish. तो वो अपनी मम्मा के पास जाती है और कहती है, मम्मा, why do we chop the head and the tail of the fish? उसकी मम्मा कहती है, बेटा that's how your grandma used to cook. तो मैं भी वैसे बनाने लग गई. अब ये बच्ची जाती है दौड़ के अपनी ग्रैंडमा के पास एंड पूछती है, ग्रैंडमा, व्हाई डू यू चॉप द हेड एंड द टेल ऑफ द फिश? उसकी ग्रैंडमा कहती है, बेटा दैट्स हाउ योर ग्रेट ग्रैंडमा यूज्ड टू डू इट. अब ये बच्चा तो रुकने वाला नहीं था. नाउ शी रैन टुवर्ड्स हर ग्रेट ग्रैंडमा हु वाज क्वाइट ओल्ड, एंड वो जाके पूछते, ग्रेट ग्रैंडमा, व्हाई डू वी चॉप हेड एंड द टेल ऑफ द फिश? To her question, her grandma replied, my little daughter, back then, when we were the poor immigrant in this country, I just had a small frying pan. And in order to fit the fish, I used to chop the head and the tail of the fish. Now I want each one of you to reflect, how many of us are living like this? Doing things not because they make sense, because they were taught. Take a moment to reflect. True? Any incident? Can you recall it? A lot of our beliefs come from there. Absolutely. Absolutely. Most importantly, a lot of rituals which our families have been taken forward. And कहीं ना कहीं हमें लगता है कि yes, we have to do it.
There is a tradition in our family, we need to do it.
Do it.
There are pros and cons. Not doing according to that.
Dadi used to. And that's a mind of it when my sons, you know, वो पैर हिलाता है, हम कहते पैर नहीं हिलाते हैं, वो पूछेगा क्यों नहीं हिलाते मम्मा? We don't have answers to all such questions. And not only in a personal life, but in a professional life also we are doing things. Sometimes on the autopilot mode, करते जा रहे हैं. We don't see whether we are getting the results or not.
In the name of culture, formation culture.
Absolutely. So all with me. Story number 2. First story क्या थी? 5 monkey. Second story? Fish story. Now coming to the third story, which is an ice bucket story. And this was a real-time challenge done by 3 of the guys who were suffering from ALS disease, which is nothing but which used to attack your nerve cells in your brain and which lead to paralysis and a lot of health issues in your body. So now these 3 guys started an ice bucket challenge so that they can raise fund for the research and the awareness in the society. They started this very simple challenge that over social media you have to pour the ice bucket on yourself. You have to post the video and nominate next 5 people to do the same. And उन्हें पता भी नहीं था कि ये छोटा सा चैलेंज एक ग्लोबल मूवमेंट बन जाएगा. करते 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 right from the common man to the big leaders, everybody started participating. Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, everyone has taken up this challenge. And surprisingly, they have raised $200 million. और फिर उन्होंने ये चैलेंज स्टॉप कराना पड़ा था. Now can you imagine just a little idea and they never knew what will be the results. What made people actually take the ice bucket challenge? I want you, each one of you to reflect upon. Yes? Try something new. Yes, Kiansh, you want to say something? No? What? Yes.
Because somebody known as tagged me, so I want to take action on that.
या कोई टैग कर रहा है तो लग रहा है कि नहीं लेट्स डू इट, एक बार करके तो देखे क्या हो जाएगा.
Be part of that.
यस यस कुछ हाँ, और एक वो ट्रेंड हो जाता है सोशल मीडिया पे, या एक वो फोमो भी फील होने लग जाता है कहीं ना कहीं. यस मैम. यस एब्सोल्युटली. हाँ.
I think this was the easiest challenge. एक बकेट ही तो डालना है.
एक बकेट ही तो डालना और डाल के देखते हैं क्या होता है.
यहीं पे होता कि खौलता हुआ पानी डालना है.
हाँ.
कोई मार्क जकरबर्ग, कोई जेफ I think designing a challenge is also an art. If
Absolutely.
you design something like can be done like this for your audience, and they designed it like this, right? So I think that's one of the things which triggered.
Here. Anybody else? Aishman, you want to say beta? Yes? Bang on, willing to try something new. So, अब तक हमने कितनी stories सुन ली? 3. Can you all repeat? कौन सी थी? And the ice bucket challenge. Now, do you think these were just a story or there was something more deeper into it? Something more deeper? Now, let me share what it is. When we talked about the first story, the 5 monkey stories talk about the cage. A cage which is holding us, which is stopping us. And this cage could be a fear. This cage could be a conditioning, past experience, a belief. And trust me, this cage, I call it as an invisible cage. And I strongly believe कैद वो नहीं जो पिंजरे में बंद है. कैद वो है जिसने सच मान लिया और कोशिश करना बंद कर दिया है. So, this is our first scene. Now coming to the second story, it talks about consciousness. And जब हम बात consciousness की करते हैं, we all know it is all about awareness. Awareness किस चीज़ की? हमारे thought patterns की, our questioning patterns, the way we think. And the moment we are aware, we start asking questions. And the moment we start asking questions, we start getting more clarity. तो सोच कब बदलती है? जब हम बिना सोचे समझे चलना बंद कर देते हैं. So all we have to do is take a pause, reflect upon why are we doing things. And when we talk about the third story, जो कि ice bucket story थी, it talks about the command. And command is nothing but action. And here is the stage where most of the people fail. And जब हम बात action की करते हैं, awareness without action is an illusion. वो कहते हैं ना, सोच बदलती है. सोच बदलने के लिए हमें कुछ करना पड़ता है, काम करने पड़ते हैं. जस्ट सोचने से कुछ नहीं होगा, काम करने से सब कुछ होगा एंड कदम बढ़ाने से सब कुछ होगा. तो these are the 5C which has really helped in my life to take all the breakthroughs and to experience the transformation. Now do you think ये 3C के साथ हम results लेके आ सकते हैं? I call it as an awareness. ये 3C's हमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिलाता है हमारे लाइफ के बारे में, बट टू बिल्ड अ रिजल्ट वी नीड समथिंग मोर पावरफुल. तो इस 3C के साथ मैंने इंटीग्रेट किया है 3I फॉर्मूला. When we talk about the cage, you don't need permission to get out the cage. All you need is I don't know sir, यहाँ पे आ नहीं रहा स्क्रीन पे. Okay, after cage, there was an idea over here. Is it there, Pratibha? Okay, I think maybe there might be some glitch. So, can I write it on the board? No, sir, पीछे, हाँ. So when I talk about the first C, इस केज से बाहर निकलने के लिए you don't need permission. All you need is an idea. एक आइडिया जो बदल दे आपकी जिंदगी. This could be a new thought. कोई भी एक नई सोच जो आपको पुश करे. यहाँ पे आपको अपने आप से सवाल पूछना है, What can I do? What can I do? And the moment you know your what, जब हमें पता लग जाता है कि जब भी हम कोई आइडिया के बारे में सोचते हैं, we all know there is an attached fear to it, एक belief attached होता है. And the moment when we choose our idea over our fear, we are out of the cage. Do you all agree? कई बार हमें पता होता है ना, ये करना है, but एक डर भी रहता है. But the moment we decide to do that, our cage is broken. Now coming to the second C, which talks about consciousness. And इस consciousness की जब हम बात करते हैं, we talked about awareness. But जब हम awareness के साथ emotions attach कर देते हैं, तो it becomes ignite. Because जब हमें पता होता है why we are doing what we are doing, it brings us more clarity. यहाँ पे हमें सवाल पूछना है, why? What is the reason? What is the purpose behind it? Lot of people find, action काफी weak होते हैं कई बारी हमारे, because our reason is not that strong enough. And the moment your reason is strong, trust me, you will be unstoppable. आपको कोई motivation की जरूरत नहीं होगी, कोई धक्का लगाने की जरूरत नहीं होगी. That will be your intrinsic, internal drive. So, the second I talks about the ignite. And when we talk about the command, here comes the implementation. And यहाँ पे हम अपने आप से सवाल पूछेंगे, how am I going to do it? And जब बात हम implementation की करते हैं, this is the stage where most of the people give up. Because उनके लिए implementation is lonely, it is scary, and they feel very uncomfortable. And that's why I called it, for every breakthrough, we need a support. You cannot do it all alone. You need an accountability partner, you need a mentor, you need some good friends. And I can proudly say that TTC has really helped me to break my cage multiple times. ऐसा नहीं है कि लाइफ में हमारे पास एक ही बार केज होगा. No, at every stage there will be some or the other cage going to happen. But do you have people around you? Do you have system? Do you have the people who are going to push you? I can proudly say that right from TTC, I got my 3 wonderful mentors, Mr. Manish Sharma sir, Dr. Swain Saini and Devakar sir. They have really helped me. You know, after each session, what next I can do it, how I can do it more better. And this is what you needed. You need good friends. Darshika is here, Pratibha is here. You all are there. जो हमें एक दूसरे को धक्का लगा है, क्या हो गया? Why are you not doing it? You need that push. And most importantly, a community, a safe space wherein you can be yourself. You don't have to fake it. So my dear friends, this is not just a space. ये एक learning का महाकुंभ है wherein you learn, grow and evolve. So don't do it alone. You don't have to struggle it. The most important question is जब भी आपके life में ये cage exist है या नहीं वो जरूरी नहीं है. But do you have a system? Do you have a process to get out of this cage? You need to check that. And all you have to do is you need people around you. Look around this room. Look around your people. There are some people who will inspire you. There are some people who will transform you. The question is not who is here. The question is who you choose to grow with. Do you take step? आप जाके उनसे बात कर रहे हो, आप initiate कर रहे हो talk, or are you still in your comfort zone? The more you get out of your comfort zone, it will help you to break your cages. So grab this opportunity. Don't leave this room the same you have come. I think after 2 days, by the end of the evening, all I request each one of you to leave this room with more clarity, with more courage, and most importantly, leave it with an action. जहाँ पे हम सब रुके हुए हैं, कहीं ना कहीं. So speak to people around you, take support, and before I conclude, I want you to reflect. I just want one key learning from each table and one action which you will be taking. I'll give you 2 minutes for the discussion, and then we'll quickly take a key learnings from each table. We'll start from here, okay? Manisha, ready?
One per table or everybody?
One key takeaway, common takeaway.
Where I get taught is that implementation, because she said that lonely, scary is what takes over. Like the team is there. It's not about not having people around. But again, will they live up to what I want? That is something that
Let me know once you're ready. Ready? Okay, let's start with Khushbu.
block it.
Then you can pass.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So, my key learning. I will start with 5 monkeys.
Okay.
But I feel that it is all about classic conditioning. The way I behave, the way I sit, the way I do anything, even my habits, even my words are not mine. Till the time I am aware that I have to figure it out. It has all been conditioned. It has all been gifted to me. It has all been positively or negatively enforced on me. And I have no idea that who has experienced it the very first time. The most of the thing what I do has been forced, it's been outside. But when I say I, it feels like it is mine. But trust, it is all classic conditioning. I've been conditioned like this. And I'm still figuring it out. Thank you for this 5 monkey. I'll figure out my cage and I'll try to experience it by myself, whatever it is. Thank you.
Thank you, Khushbu. Thank you so much.
All right, so lovely beginning with the stories, of course.
Thank you.
The 3 things we all take away is that first, we even realize that we are caged. Acknowledging that. कई बारी हमें पता भी नहीं होता. Where do we start? Second is once you know that yes, this is the cage, realizing उस केज की सीलिंग क्या है, जैसे वो मंकी स्टोरी में था, सीलिंग है कहाँ पे, and whether we want to break it, right? It could be ceiling, it could be anything, right? So not putting it into box like one story told. And then the last is finding your why.
Why?
Once you realize that you are caged, आपकी सीलिंग है, छत है, जो भी है, उसके बाद क्या करना है, क्यों? That's our
Thank you. Thank you, Kavita.
So our takeaway is that there are multiple cages at multiple stages in our life, and how it's important for us to get out of our comfort zone and to have an idea, to analyze and understand that we are also in a cage, and that helps us to get out of our comfort zone. And along with that, our reasons of why do we want to get out of that cage should also be very strong. And I really like your correlation from 3 C's to 3 I's.
CI. Thank you so much.
That was a very big eye opener.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank
Varsha.
you.
Yes. Over here. Aditi.
Yeah, so for me personally is that, at different stages of life, no matter where you are, there are these invisible cages, जो कि हमारे ego के पीछे या, there's an unseen mask जिसके पीछे होते हैं, to really identify what are those cages, invisible cages. And also, like Varsha said, and I really like that, to identify the why, as to why is this cage even existing. And then working towards it, taking the right kind of action to be able to dissolve that cage and move forward. So yeah, so that's my point.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you, Aditi. Yes, Natrat, sir.
Thank you. 3 C's and 3 I's. Always, our ability is something else, and what we do is something else totally. What I believe, this table has given me permission to tell my story. In Karnataka, I've been telling for years now. I have 63 centers, 66 centers. When 2 years back, I had 61 centers. Now 63 centers. Last time I told you, I have revealed that I'm going to start Skill Development University in July 26. But apart from that, I can scale my business to entire India. But I am not done. Number 1, procrastination. Fear of failure. If you scale, go out of Karnataka, because I am very comfortable in Karnataka. So, but yesterday, one of my Krishna, Mr. Dr. Jagdish, he told me, start in Telangana. So, now I think I should leave this cage. I should expand, and I can implement, move out of Karnataka. And that's the implementation part. That's a 3I. So I should take action. So, this is the story.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, everybody, for yes, ma'am, please.
So
beautiful, wonderfully.
थैंक यू मैम एंड आई रियली लव्ड योर पॉइंट. ऐसा नहीं हो हमें एक केज से निकल के दूसरे केज में कूद रहे हो. Yes, sir. Then we have Abhay also.
One specific
I need
point.
5 minutes extra, sir, please.
A specific point, what I would like to share is that consciousness level, no, where we are and why we need to do whatever we are doing.
Whatever we are
If that is clear, then most of our cages, we can break the cages, and get into action mode. If we do not know that why, then I think that is the biggest, the middle one, the consciousness or ignite is what I think is a fire. Once that fire is there, then if the spark is there.
Spark is there, we are
Ignite is a spark, and from spark we can get the fire. And that's a missing link, and it was beautifully explained, so that it creates spark in many of us. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We have one from Abhay, then Darshika, we are coming to you. Yes, Abhay.
So I was just sharing my cage. I mean, I just realized that my cage is my own personal limiting beliefs.
Limiting beliefs.
Although Sanjay sir yesterday already created that. But again, thank you for giving this word cage and with I. So thank you. That's all.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Abhay. Yes, coming to Darshika.
Beautiful concept, Jyoti.
Thank you.
Idea, ignite, implement. Definitely. Yes, certain cages जो होती हैं हर स्टेज पे हमें मिलती हैं और वो हमें बांध के रखती हैं. पर आई डोंट नो वो केज जिसकी मैं बात करने वाली उसको मैं केज शब्द दूं या ना दूं, पर कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हमें बांध के रखती हैं, वो हम्बल करती हैं, ग्राउंडेड रखती हैं. हम किसी भी पोजीशन पे पहुंच जाएं, पर सर्टेन थिंग्स जिससे हम जुड़े हुए हैं या उसको केज कह लें, अटैचमेंट कह लें, वो हमें हम्बल ग्राउंडेड रखती हैं. एग्जाम्पल छोटे आजकल की जो बहुत फास्ट मूविंग लाइफ है, छोटे शहर से बड़े शहर में सब लोग शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं. सर ने कहा हम वी आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन कर्नाटका. ऑब्वियसली एक हमारा होम टाउन होता है, पर स्टिल इन सर्च ऑफ जॉब, इन सर्च ऑफ प्रमोशन वी मूव आउट एंड व्हाट वी डू, अपनी फैमिलीज पेरेंट्स को हम
रूट्स हम कहीं ना
रूट
कहीं
छोड़ देते हैं. यदि हम रूट से ऐसा नहीं है कि जो चमक धमक सिटी में है, चमक धमक ना हो, पर एटलीस्ट पीस प्रोग्रेस डेफिनेटली होगी. यस, तो वो केस शब्द होगा कि नहीं होगा आई डोंट नो, बट यस सर्टेन थिंग्स हमें ग्राउंडेड और बहुत हम्बल रखती हैं, और स्पार्क इज स्टिल देयर जो हमें हम्बल रख रहा है. वो तब भी ऐसा नहीं कि ये हम्बल है, ग्राउंडेड है तो स्पार्क नहीं है, वो तब भी रहता है. दैट्स इट.
आई वुड कॉल इट एज अ स्ट्रेंथ. आई थिंक जो हमारे वैल्यूज है, हमारे जो रूट्स है, वी आर देयर बिकॉज ऑफ देम, सो वी कैन नॉट निग्लेक्ट दैट. तो जब हम बात केज की करते हैं, तो केज वो है जो हमारे हमें पता है पोटेंशियल एंड विच इज पुलिंग अस बैक, राइट? आई होप ऑल आर विथ मी. So before I conclude, I would love to say that, my dear friends, the cage was never locked. One never choose to walk out of the cage. Okay? So जाते जाते कुछ शायरी के साथ क्लोज करना चाहूंगी. That कैद तो हम खुद के बने हुए ख्यालों में थे, कब के खुले थे, पर सवालों में थे. जब होश आया तो रास्ते खुद बन गए, और जब कदम बढ़ाया तो हम ही अपनी उड़ान बन गए. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for being so participated, and thank you.